Hello students, myself Abhay again with you. Now I'm starting your subject of entomology. Let's start with the first topic of first section, that is insect pest and their close relationship. What are insect, what are pest, how they are categorized. So we will discuss. So we are starting with the definition. The pest derived from the French word peste and Latin term pestis, meaning plague or contiguous disease. So pest is any animal which is nog- noxious and destructive and troublesome to man on his interest. सो बेटा पेस्ट की है, पेस्ट हमारे पास वो चीज़ है जो क्या करता है, कोई ना कोई डिस्ट्रक्शन कॉज करता है, कोई ना कोई चीज़ को हार्म पहुंचाता है। तो ये हमारी है। तो पेस्ट एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो हार्म पहुंचाता है मैन को भी, उसकी बनाई हुई प्रॉपर्टी को भी। तो सिग्निफिकेंटली बहुत सारे इसके कॉजेज़ हैं। तो इंसेक्ट क्या है? इंसेक्ट वो पेस्ट्स हैं जो हमारे पास दे आर सफिशिएंटली न्यूमरस टू कॉज इकोनॉमिक डैमेज। जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं वो कम डैमेज करते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू पेस्ट्स। तो पेस्ट आर द ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच impose burden on human population by causing। तो पेस्ट की कैसी कैसी हैं हमने पहले पढ़ा है। पेस्ट ज़्यादा इंजरी कॉज करते हैं, ज़्यादा हार्म कॉज करते हैं, और इंसेक्ट कम करते हैं। तो किस तरह से इंजरी करते हैं? इंजरी टू क्रॉप करते हैं, फसल को ख़राब करते हैं, फॉरेस्ट को ख़राब करते हैं, ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स को ख़राब करते हैं। सेकेंड, annoyance, injury and death to human and domestic animals, even if their attack is high in number, if then it cause even severe death of the organism also. Third one is the destruction and value depreciation of stored product. If we storing any product in the store, so these pests cause their degradation in their quality and quantity also, depending upon the upon the pest include insects, nematodes, mites, snails, slugs, etc., and vertebrates like rats, birds, etc. All these are the pests. Depending upon the importance, pests may be agricultural, forest, household, medical, aesthetic, and veterinary pests. So we have these following categories of pests based upon the occurrence. Regular pests, they frequently occur in crop, जो ज़्यादातर हमें मिलते हैं। ये नहीं कि कुछ टाइम के लिए, जो कॉन्टीन्यूसली हमारे सीज़न में हमें दिखाई देते हैं। देट आर कॉल्ड रेगुलर पेस्ट लाइक राइस, स्लैम बोरर, brinjal, fruit borer. Then occasional pests that are occurring occasionally, seasonal that are occurring seasonally, persistent pests that are occur on the crop throughout the years, and it's too difficult to do control over it, like chili, thrips, mealybugs on guava. Sporadic pests occur in isolated localities during some period, like coconut sludge caterpillars. Sporadic pests are isolated within a locality. These pests occur within a locality only. Based upon the level of infestation, pest epidemic, उनका कॉज कैसा है? एपिडेमिक, जिनकी इंजरी और हार्म लेवल कम है वो एपिडेमिक। एंडेमिक होते हैं जिनका लो लेवल ऑफ फ्यू पॉकेट्स है। ठीक है। एपिडेमिक हमारे पास जो जिसकी इंजरी ज़्यादा है और एंडेमिक जिसकी इंजरी कम है। तो एंडेमिक की एग्जांपल है राइस गॉल, मिर्च इन मदुरई, मैंगो होपर्स इन पेरिकुलम. Then parameters of insect population levels. These are the parameters through which you can check either the insect tag is high or low or is of medium range. General equilibrium position. General equilibrium position is the average density of population over a long period of time, around which the pest population over a long period of time, around which the pest population tends to fluctuate due to the biotic and abiotic factor, and in the absence of permanent environment changes. Economic threshold level, we call it ETL. This is the level which should be implemented to prevent the increased pest population from reaching the ETL. Economic injury level, the lowest population density that will cause economic damage, and damage boundary dB are the lowest level of damage which can be measured. ETL is always less than I. EAL provides sufficient time to control measures. So these are the levels by which we can analyze the population density, and as per the density we take preventive measures to control the attack of the pest. Pest categories are key pest. Key pests are most severe and damaging pest. Major pest. Key pest having GEP lie above the EIL always. They are persistent pest. The environment must be changed to bring GEP below EIL. Example: cotton bollworm, diamondback moth. Major pest is the next one, in which GP lie very close to EIL and coincides with EIL. Minor pest, in which GP is below the EIL usually. Sporadic pest, in which GEP is generally below EIL. And potential pest, where the GEP always less than EIL. And causes of a pest outbreak: if attack of insect pest is very high, then there are some causes like destruction and deforestation, and bringing under cultivation. Second, destruction of natural enemies. Third, intensive and extensive cultivation, introduction of new varieties or crops, improved agronomic practices, introduction of new pests in the new environment. And next is the accidental introduction of pests from the foreign countries. And last one is the large scale storage of food grain, and that is severe as reservoir for food grain pests. Urbanization changes ecological balance, and rat found in underground drainage. This was the all about the introductory overview of the insect pest and their close relationship. Okay, all the best.